Hi everyone, welcome to KSP Creations. We will learn few questions in general knowledge. Here we go. First, who is the author of Wings of Fire? Second, when is the International Yoga Day celebrated? Third, what is the capital city of Croatia? Fourth, how long does a snail can sleep? Fifth, which city is known as the Garden City of India? Sixth, what is the national bird of India? Seventh, how many PGA Tour titles won by Tiger Woods? Eighth, where is the Ran of Kutch located? Ninth, which country is known as the land of white elephants? 10th, which is the highest plateau region in the world? Here is the answers. First, who is the author of Wings of Fire? Answer, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Second, when is the International Yoga Day celebrated? Answer, 21st June. Third, what is the capital city of Croatia? Answer, Zagreb. Fourth, how long does a snail can sleep? Answer, 3 years. Fifth, which city is known as the Garden City of India? Answer, Bengaluru. Sixth, what is the national bird of India? Answer, peacock. Seventh, how many PGA Tour titles won by Tiger Woods? Answer, 82. Eighth, where is the Ran of Kutch located? Answer, Gujarat, India. Ninth, which country is known as the land of white elephants? Answer, Thailand. 10th, which is the highest plateau region in the world? Answer, Tibetan Plateau. Hope you learn all these questions. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.